Hello everyone. So today we are going to see some string functions or string methods you can say. So the important ones we will see. I will show you that directly in the console. So for example, I have a string. Let's say hi there. This is my string. So if I want to find out the length of this string, that how long it is, then I can use the length function. So it is showing me 9. It will calculate the space as well when calculating. Okay. Can I give it directly? Yes, you can do that. If I give it directly hello.length, it will show me the length of that string. So same way we have replace. So x dot replace, and you have to what you want to replace and instead what you want to write. So instead of hi, what I want to write? I want to write hello. So see, instead of hi there, I got hello there. Again, I can do it directly on the string as well. So if I'm writing hello Max, and I want to replace Max with, let's say, Tom. So it will be replaced. Sorry, it is case sensitive, so you have to give the correct case. So Max is replaced by Tom now. So same way, I will use X only now. The last, then you can find the last index of. So you want to find the last index of it. You have to mention from where to where you want to. Let me take a different example. For example, you have a name of the file with its extension. Let's say image.png. And you want to check the extension. So first you will find out the index. Last index of, and from where you want to find? From dot. So it is showing you from where it is coming. So that is the fifth one. So if you want to print from dot, it is the fifth index in my string. So if I want to print the extension, then I can do that by substring. One more method is there, that is substring. And here you will have to give whatever last index you got, that is fifth one. So I got the extension of my file. That is one of the way to do it. Now again, if I want to do if I am writing a name, for example, and I want to capitalize it, then I can use to uppercase function, and it will all be converted into uppercase. Same way we have lowercase. If I have something like this and I want it in all small letters, then I can use the function to lowercase. Sorry, it's a function, so you have to give parentheses. So these are some of the functions, string functions or string methods that you can use.